Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the JanitorAI Error Code 403. The error reads, "An error occurred, request failed with status code." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, this error can appear in different scenarios. Some users have shared that the code appeared when they tried to start a new chat with a character, as well as the same code also appeared when they tried to comment on the bot. According to our research, this error may occur because of the content filter blocking certain words. It can also happen if third-party cookies are blocked. In some cases, the issue may be related to a Cloudflare outage or the site being under maintenance. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to rephrase your comment or input. Certain words such as strong language or sensitive keywords can prevent your comment or review from being posted. So try removing or rewording such words and then post again. If the error still comes, then try using a different browser. Some users shared that they downloaded Firefox and it worked there. So we suggest you try to use another browser and open the site from there and try again. If the error still persists, then check if there is any Cloudflare outage. You can look online to see if Cloudflare services are down. If there is an outage, then wait until it is resolved and then try again. If you still get the error, then make sure your third-party cookies are not blocked on the site. Cloudflare works as a third party, so if third-party cookies are blocked, this may cause the error. So, enable third-party cookies in your browser settings and then try again. If the error still doesn't resolve, then try using a good VPN. Simply connect to the VPN and then access the site again. At last, if nothing helps, then wait for some time or try rewording your input again. And if needed, reach out to customer support for further assistance. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.